Okay, to access your team builder account so you can use the whiteboard on Tuesday, you just type in your school email address and then 1234 is what I reset your password to. Then you just hit sign in. Okay, once you get here, you're going to go to workout tools and then you're going to drop down to whiteboard. Okay, once you get to the whiteboard, you only have one option to select. Okay, so you click on that and then it will be for tomorrow. Okay, you'll have the supersetted exercises that they've been doing. Okay, so you go here to the settings. We want to set them up for, you can do 50 or 60 seconds, whichever you want to do. Rest time is 0. Usually give them 75 seconds between supersets. Okay, so every 50 seconds the timer will go off. Okay, and then you'll go to the next one. So once you're ready to start the workout, after the short warm up, you just click here, okay, pull up the first exercise, then you hit the clock, and they'll be on the timer. Again, you can pause it if you need to. You can hit the down arrow to go to the next exercise, and then resume. Okay, remember, after they finish their last set, there should be some transition time. So once the clock buzzes or runs out, they'll have that transition time to get set up for their B exercises, which will be push press and something else. So hopefully this video will help you. And again, you'll just turn on the projector and click in with the HDMI cord, and you should be able to run the workout timer through your computer on the Team Builder website. If you have any questions, just let me know. Again, it's the same workout they've been doing for the last couple of weeks. So there's the transition time. Again, about 75 seconds should give them plenty of time to set up for their B exercises. So again, they've done this workout, so hopefully you won't have any issues. Okay, thanks.